Are you concerned about privacy and security while using WhatsApp? Did you know you can get a free virtual phone number for verification? A virtual number is a phone number provided by a third-party service that works like a real phone number but without being associated. Open the app, and select your country from over 200 options. Choose the country you need a number from for WhatsApp. Once you have chosen your virtual number, use it to verify your WhatsApp account. Will send an SMS with a 6-digit code. Once you've installed the Callmama app, select the country you need a number from for WhatsApp from over 200 options. Register the virtual phone number on WhatsApp. When prompted, verify the number using the 6-digit code sent to your Callmama app. If you need to manage multiple WhatsApp accounts for different purposes, simply repeat the process to acquire. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.